Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about single line test, because single line test is no change for any text height and any uh, activities, not the underline, not the uh, italic font, not the bold size. They are only a simple and single line test creation. So today I will discuss about. So now let's start from any command here, a rectangle command. I choose from rectangle command and draw here. Then I make the line also. When join the point here, this point also again enter the line and join from this point. Make the circle, create the circle here and start from. When I write this component particular, so when I get the construction line here and when click the projection also, so when I get the projection and also enter here and get the projection, when again this side and get projection right now, copy here, okay, this is projection right now. When again click the construction line, so start from this point and start from this point. So this is extra line I have create. So when I go to delete here, when again I will go to trim right now. So when you click this here, trim, this is trim. First of all, select this all component and go to trim and click the trim and also click the trim. Same thing here and click right now this line and selection. Okay, this is complete here, and also go to pick the center line. It means have been create. Select this point and also stretch down direction. This is particular diagram has been created. When I want to select this all component, this here and this here also select. When we are go to control M, move enter, M enter, then go to move. When I just click this all diagram here, this click all diagram and just move here. When create the single test, so here the single line test, when I click the single line test and anywhere I will go to start from text here. When start from here, plan right now, plan, and again I will write now elevation. So this is the single line test here. When I got enter, so it is elevation right now. So here the make elevation and test right now. When I select this, all member, when get move here, and now taking this area. When I want to go to increase the size, so first of all select this rectangle and go to scale, SC enter, and provide the scale here 5 mm. So looking that's increase for plan also. When I get move here, then down direction and also plan is moved here and down direction. So look at this, it is useful for diagram here like that. Okay, so this is the single line text here. Basically when go to again single line and whatever I want to go to create the size, so it is very easy to create from planning here, right? It is make for test here. So this is the single line test. So thank you for watching.